So good morning everyone. Today I'm going to share my insight about the activity 2, which is the question is, how does the dance impact the culture and our society? So dance is a strong way for people to express themselves and connect with others. It breaks down barriers between different cultures and helps communities communicate and celebrate together. So through dance, we can see what a culture values and believe in, as many traditional dances represent the history and customs of community. So ang dance is naghatag siya kanang big nga or big significant role sa ato ang culture, because nowadays sa ato ang generation, dagay mga tao nga dili maka-express sa ilahang self. So by doing dance or by doing dancing, it is one way nga ma-express nila ang ilahang feelings or ilang emotion in a different way. So this helps culture's traditions alive and gives people a sense of belongingness. So dance also helps us na ma-feel nato na we are belong, especially in a different or in a specific culture. So on a social level, dance brings people together at celebration, gathering, and performance. So through dances also, it gives us kanang relationship or kanang mag-build ng maka-reunite ta, especially those people nga kanang separated, and creating bonds and promoting inclusivity among diverse groups. So it can also help the way to raise awareness about important issues and inspire change. A society change, often reflecting current themes like identity and politics. So overall, dance plays a crucial role in our culture by preserving traditions, building connections, and expressing complex ideas, making it an important part of human interactions and culture sharing. So overall, dance is it is one way na we can express ourselves, because there are a lot of people who cannot express themselves through writings or through singing, but dance also gives us the opportunity na we can share or we can express our individuals. So that's all. Thank you and good morning.